to the channel, Lexi Nardoni. We're here with another vlog, and today we are going to Vally National Park. We're gonna be going there for the next 2 days, and I thought I would vlog it for you guys. We are about 2 hours into a 4-hour drive there. Yeah, we're just driving. It's Charlize's turn driving, and I thought I'd start the vlog here. So let's get going to Death Valley.
So cute.
Look at Charlize's side profile, my favorite shot in all my videos. We made it into the park. We got in here a while ago, but didn't realize. We just found a map because we have no service. But now we're gonna go to the Mosaic Canyon and the sand dunes.
This is good.
It's good. I made egg salad sandwiches, tofu. Okay, let's go. There's the canyon, and we're gonna go walk in it. Where? Did you just burp? Obviously, we finished the hike and we just got gas and paid for our entry. Now we're gonna go to the sand dunes. Like desert sand.
Like National Park sand.
Where do you think we're going? Wow. Look where that got me. He's like taking off. Did you see that?
He's so excited. He's like, we're finally done.
So like, I thought my phone camera wasn't working and I was so sad. And then I fixed it and it works again. Also, look at Gaz. He's just the cutest little thing. Look at that little pea in a pod. Go, Gatsby, go. Come on. Run back. No?
You know what all this makes me think of?
Huh.
That people should stream Permission to Dance by BTS.
That was a good one. That was a good one. On to the next place. Dang. This thing is giant. Okay, give me your info.
2,000 years ago, rising magma came up, and when met with water, it created steam that left a 600-foot hole.
Wow. Gatsby, smile next to the caution sign. Damn. This is little Hebe. Look how small he is. Compared to... He told me that the man of my dreams would one day be mine. We did it, guys. We did it. We walked along the entire thing. We walked it. We did it. Death Valley day 2. We gotta drive like 2 hours to get there. made it to a place called Zabriskie Point is where we at. So we're just gonna walk up there and I'll show you. Wow. We're in this dog-friendly park called 20 Mule Canyon Road. No, 20 Mule Team Canyon Road. There's a team in there. And we're just gonna walk Gatsby around. Let's look at the view. Oh, stream fancy by twice. We're here to the place I've looked forward most to the Devil's home place, Devil's Golf Course. Let's go see things. We made it to the saltwater basin. Low-key underwhelming. I thought it'd be bigger.
High-key underwhelming.
But we're gonna go take pictures, so yeah. I just had to get out of your shadow. Adventure Shari. We are now on Artist Drive. Is this the Artist Palette? I don't think this is
Artist Drive.
Okay, we're on Artist Drive, but this is the first stop that we're stopping at. I don't think this is the Artist Palette though yet. You know what I realized? I can't even take pictures on the film camera because I didn't change the film. Go, Charlize, go. You're on camera if you fall. Beautiful. Keep picture. I don't want a picture of me in front of this one. Checking in, so we finished obviously Artist Drive and all of that, and we were gonna do Golden Canyon, but we are so freaking tired, so I'm gonna sign off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any more adventures, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.